Nathan, that was fun, but are you sick of Jeeps yet?
Yeah, you know what? I think we've had enough of Jeep just for now.
And as you can tell, no more Jeeps.
Yeah, no more Jeeps.
Hey Nathan, earlier this year, I took the Ram from 0 to 60. How long do you think it took?
Up here?
Yeah.
10 seconds?
Well, watch this to find out. Let's try it at a mile above sea level. Here we go. Good launch. There's 20. Now we're in the power band. Hemi's starting to scream. And here comes 60 right there. All right, what do you think that was? 9.52. 9.52. 9.52. Can you beat it?
Well, I do have all-wheel drive, and it's automatic all-wheel drive, so maybe I get better traction, but I don't know.
All right, go for it, dude. Let's see.
All right, let's find out. My secret weapon? I have all-wheel drive. See what that does. Here we go. Not a bad start for a big lug. This thing actually has got some cojones! Oh my god, I annihilated Roman. It's impressive, really, because I just didn't expect that. I really didn't expect that. Ladies and gentlemen, 0 to 60, 7.96. I had to actually double check to make sure that wasn't 17 or something like that. This thing really rolled.
So Nathan just misspoke a little bit when it came to his time, but you know what? I can't let that stand. Maybe last time I did the 0 to 60 run, I didn't do something right, but this should be faster than 9.5. So I'm gonna give it one more shot. I got the slow DL set up. I'm setting up a little bit of torque, and here we go. What's that for?
This is for a matchup that we're gonna do the next day.
For tomorrow?
Yeah.
We're gonna mash these two up?
Yeah.
They're really different.
That's the whole point of a mashup, baby.